Hi guys, welcome back to Flossom Fam. Today I'll be reviewing three of my favorite mascaras. Let's get started. Starting with my first favorite mascara is this one from Nykaa. This one costed me rupees 368. This is waterproof and smudge proof. This is 9 ml bottle. Also it is paraben free, vegan and cruelty free. I'll open this and show it to you. Let's do swatch test. This is well pigmented. Let me apply this and show it to you. So after first coat of application, this is how it looks. It gives kind of natural finish, but this is not too volumizing. But if you are looking for something in natural finish, then you can try this one from Nykaa. My next favorite is this one from Lakme. This is Lakme Unreal 3D Lash Maximizer Black. This is 15 ml and it costed rupees 578. And this is matte and they are claiming that this is super duper volumizing. Let me try this and show you. First let me apply this and show you. Look at the pigment and the payoff it gave me in just one swatch. This looks something like this. Let me apply this side. So this is how it looks after first application. You can see the difference, right? This one looks a bit more voluminous than this one. The Lakme one is giving voluminous look in one application. My next favorite mascara is this one from Recode We Stole the Show. And this is blue colored mascara. I'll show you the swatch. The wand looks like this. Let me swatch this. As you can see, this is in blue and it is not giving much of pigment. Let me apply this and show you once. You can look at the blue color. It is looking so good. Also with this wand, the application becomes really very easy because this is too thin and you can go on the corners and all very easily. Because of such thin wand, it gives lengthening effect to my lashes. This mascara costed rupees 620 from Nykaa and this is a 10 ml bottle. Finally, I would like to say that if you are looking for something, mascara which gives natural finish and for daily wear, then you can go for this one from Nykaa, which is really good for natural finish. And if you are looking for something voluminous and which gives thick lashes, then you can go for Lakme one. Or if you are looking for something in blue color from Recode, this is also very good mascara. It gives natural long lashes with blue color, which is really very good. Finally, that's it for today. Like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such videos.